That's right. We are giving away a set of boat plans from Salt Boatworks. Been talking about it for a while. You can go check out their plans at saltboatworks.com. If you've seen my channel, if that was what led you here, these are some of the boats. These are the plans that I'm using to build my boat. And when I started doing this, I started documenting it from the very beginning and said once I got past 1,000 subscribers, I was going to give away a set of plans. Well, today we're well over that 1,000 number, and now we're going to do it. So you can go to saltboatworks.com and you can see the boat models. He's got lots of different ones, anything from 12, 14, 15, 16, and 18. Those are the Flats River Skiff plans that we're giving away. He's got some other stuff that you can see as well. But like this is the boat that I'm building now. This gives you an example of how he lays it out and everything that's done. He also provides plenty of instructions. So just like me, if you've never built a boat before, you can do it. He's got these videos where he shows you on his site how to make epoxy. And also he goes through step by step, like for the FRS 12, and it's the same principles that you use to build all the boats, but he goes through step by step, and all you really need to do is follow the instructions that he provides you on these videos. Not to mention there's all kind of other guidance that's out there. We're going to go through that in a little while, but he basically shows you everything you need to know, answers all the questions. He's got resources, like I said, with the videos that he's got right here about the different paints and primers that you need to protect it. Anything from premium yacht coatings down to economy paint, that you get to choose what you want to invest in it to help you find your wood. All these boats are made with marine plywood that's made for boat building and being in a marine environment. And also he's got epoxy suppliers. All these boats are built. So these are just some examples. He gives you a layout of basically what your boat should do. In your plans, you get pattern nesting to optimize your plywood, and when you're cutting stuff out, he gives you instructions. Basically, they're all easy enough to follow, shows you where stuff's supposed to go, gives you a detail laying out your fiberglass and everything. And the beauty, it's 100% customizable. You can see here, once I started this, you can follow my channel and I show you from tracing out the patterns, the templates on the plywood, cutting it out, what I do. This is me stitching it along. I don't know how many videos we've got up to this point, but I've committed to show everything, and that's what I'm doing, good or bad. You can see here where I'm cutting out the cradle. That was the first episode. Now we're cutting out the patterns for the boat. You basically cut all your patterns out ahead of time, and you basically just put it together like a jigsaw puzzle. There's a few little technical things in there, but don't let that intimidate you. You can see right here, you can click up there and get the whole playlist. But this video is more about doing the giveaway. There's also a Facebook page that's very valuable that I help contribute to, where all these guys share stuff. You can ask questions, you can follow, you can see how it's done. You've got guys in here that have built boats, that have followed these plans, that do it where you can get some good information. You can also get and see what you shouldn't do. But here's the important stuff. These are the rules. We're going to be giving away one of these models that are FRS models. If you want something different, we can negotiate that with Salt Boatworks. But right now, it's just an FRS. YouTube or Salt Boatworks is not involved in this giveaway. Salt Boatworks is donating a set of plans, but that's it. We're going to do the best we can to accommodate as many people as we can. So there are a couple little limitations in here on shipping, so make sure you pay attention to that. But there are rules. And rule number one, you got to do something nice for somebody. You can do that. Read the description here. Paste it as a comment here what you did. And it's not who does the best thing. It's going to be a total random draw, and I'm going to do everything as up and up as I can. And we're going to announce the winner, verify it, and you can build your own boat too. So if you've thought about this and you want to try it, give it a shot.